Trad Gathering is a new youth project bringing together about 60 of the most talented and accomplished young traditional Irish musicians from across London, St Albans, Cambridge and further afield. I think it's really important to create something that gives these young Irish players a reason to come together, to socialise and to work together on a big project. At the moment, the only activities which are specifically aimed at this age group are competitions, and while they have their place, not all youngsters want to bother with them. This type of socialising keeps the interest in the music and encourages the making of friendships and musical partnerships outside of their immediate group. The friends I made through music was certainly a big part of what kept me playing into adult life. Without it, we could be in danger of losing some of our great young players in their teenage years.
I just think it's really good that kind of everyone is all together and we're all playing music together. The whole project is really good because like everyone together, you get to meet new people and learn like tunes that everyone else knows.
We've met quite a few of them at competitions or sessions and stuff because we play against them sometimes.
It's more fun because you're not scared of them.
And you like get to know them more. It's good to make a good opportunity to make new friends and meet new people.
I think it's less nerve-wracking with a big group because if you make a mistake, no one really notices. I never make mistakes yet. That's what perfect, you know. Perfect.
Pretty scary to perform in the proms, but yeah, it's good fun.
It makes you feel really proud to be Irish, really, when you hear the great, powerful sounds of everyone together.
Quite excited, a bit nervous, but should be good.
Yeah, I think there should be more of this because it gives an opportunity for like young people to do more things and get involved in different kind of projects and keep them busy off the streets.
The first ever BBC Proms Folk Day was a fantastic opportunity to bring together a large group of our best young players from different music schools across London and the surrounding areas. They gave us a 15-minute slot, so we brought together some material which my own band, the London Lasses, had recorded in the past, and we featured our arrangement of the song Black is the Colour, which was running as a subtle theme through the Folk Day.
Then what I want to do is run the entire thing again. Maybe encourage the singers to belt it out because you're competing with the instruments acoustically today.
Black is the colour of my true love's hair. Her lips are like a rose so fair. She's got the sweetest taste and the gentlest hands.
The group put their all into their performance on July of this year. We got the best reception from the audience of the whole day and a massive encore.
It was good. It was better than I expected to be good, but that went just as well as I expected.
On the strength of that performance, the group were asked to appear as special guests at the Schools Proms in November. We brought the house down at a performance in Return to Kempton Town Festival before our own proud moment at the Royal Albert Hall. The youngsters were absolutely buzzing. What a fantastic opportunity. We opened the second half of the concert. They played brilliantly and got the most amazing response from a capacity audience of 5,000. They were all very proud to be playing their Irish music in amongst a wide variety of the best youth music making the UK has to offer. Seeing the group leading up to that performance, and particularly after playing that night, we realised what a fantastic thing we've got going here. The youngsters, and indeed the music teachers and parents, have responded so positively to the Trad Gathering. There has been great excitement about the project. I've plenty of ideas about where we can go from here, and I'd love to be able to secure the future of the trad gathering. Commissioning a new piece for the group and bringing in high-profile musicians would be a fantastic chance for the youngsters to get inside someone else's head musically. The group's repertoire would expand, and I would love to see them play at some more high-profile venues and events. Apart from enthusing the participants themselves, I can already see the younger musicians who are watching the performances yearning to be part of this new exciting project. It will inspire them to practice more. I think it works on so many levels.